Is this thing on? Hey guys, Anthony with the Rag Company, and in today's video, I was wrong about the drill brush. Let's talk about it. All right, so for years, I've seen YouTube detailers using drill brushes in all of their videos, providing deep cleans to carpet, upholstery, seats, and floor mats, and pretty much everything in between. I couldn't help but watch that and think to myself, wow, that's a fast way to destroy the pile of a carpet. And so for years, I said the drill brush was probably a gimmick, probably something that nobody should use because it might cause more damage than what it's worth. And I was wrong. For the last several weeks, I have been playing with this drill brush. I have been diving it into carpet. I've been diving it into seats and plenty of other different fabrics. And I've found that it's actually not all that bad, and it's not all that bad at all. And if anything, it saved my wrist from future arthritis, and the drill brush is actually quite amazing. Specifically, this one right here. Now, there's a difference between drill brushes out there and the type of bristles that are used. We have actually used a yellow bristle drill brush here in our videos before that was extremely firm and something that would in fact damage carpet. But upon picking up this one right here with these nice white bristles that are relatively soft, this just tends to glide over fabric and doesn't depile it like I thought it would. And because of this, the drill brush is actually quite useful. Now, I don't think that you have to do a crazy cross-hatching method and really dive it into carpet or seats and all of that to really do a good job, but pretty much let this sit onto the surface and let it do the work for you. Use your favorite interior cleaner, your favorite all-purpose cleaner, your favorite maybe carpet cleaner. Use whatever you'd like to use, but just let the drill brush do the work without really diving it in. Now, over the last few weeks, I've been testing this. I've used it on carpet, upholstery, I've used it on seats, and I've found that it doesn't depile carpet, but it does have its limitations. This isn't gonna provide a very, very deep scrub, but this is definitely going to get a lot of that ingrained dirt from the pile itself out. So if you have a really deep stain, you still may need to get in there with a hand brush and really provide some serious agitation, but this guy right here is pretty capable for what it can do. So this is what my process is. When it comes to drill brushing, I grab my drill brush, make sure my battery is charged, and then I start in on the surface I'm working with. So for example, if I'm working on a set of floor mats that are just absolutely hammered that I picked up from the junkyard, I'm probably gonna start with pressure washing those first. I mean, it's floor mats after all. And after pressure washing those, that's when I'm going to spray some carpet bomber or maybe another type of all-purpose cleaner or interior cleaner onto those mats pretty thoroughly. Give my brush a couple sprays to load it up, provide some good lubrication, and then start diving in. I will cross-hatch it, but I'm not really pushing down and giving it a ton of pressure. I let the brush do the work. And after that, I might give it another rinse, or I'll jump straight in with an extractor and pull out all those chemicals I just introduced. And the result is actually quite impressive. So I guess what I'm trying to say is that the drill brush is actually a great tool. I was wrong about it. I shouldn't have hated on it, and I feel bad about all the people that I gave crap for using it. It's actually a great tool if you know how to use it properly and if you pick up the right bristle strength. So this is me saying I'm sorry to the drill brush manufacturers out there. It is a great product, it is a great idea, and you could use it on a ton of different things. So with that said, you can check out the drill brush at theragcompany.com, where we are selling it because I finally gave in and accepted that it's a good product. So, as always, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more, and stay tuned for more videos right here at The Rag Company.